Hello children, hello friends. Today we are going to learn the vowel sound E. So let's learn sound E with happy phonics. So if we learn these vowel sounds very carefully, we can read any word easily. It's very easy to read words. So let's learn what are the sounds we have to learn to read a word without any difficult. So we know we can divide the English alphabet into two categories, vowels and consonants. So here all the vowels are ready. See these, all the consonants are ready to make words, and also all the vowels are ready to make words with us. So there are 5 vowels. We know A, E, I, O, U, and also there are 21 consonants. See these consonants, you know, all these consonants. So let's make words with E sound. See, now I am taking this E from these vowels. This letter I. The sound E produces by the letter E. So this one here, see this H-I, he, D-I, D, B-I, B, K-I, ki. See this one, L-I, li, and also R-I, ri. Like that we can produce the sound. So let's see this one, R-I. So I am going to add letters with these sounds. See this one, right. This is sound E. So let's make I with P. What is the sound? I, P, we can get ip. What is the sound? Ip. So he, hip, he, hip. See this one, D, dip, D, dip. B, bip, B, bip. Key, yes, I will remove this one, L-I-P, we can get li, lip, lip. Right. See this one, T, T, tip, T, tip. Right. So let's read again. Read with me. Yes, our all the friends see this. They're ready to learn. Here you can see all the friends. Yes. Now let's read together. Yes. See this. Right. Okay, let's read. Her, hip, he, hip, sir, sip, sir, sip, lip, 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 nip, nip, pip, pip, zip, zip, dip, dip, tip. So read again. So this, see this, all the letters, this E sound produced by this letter I. This letter I. So if we want to get the E sound, we have to use the letter I. Hip, sip, lip, nip, pip, zip, dip, tip, like that. Okay, let's see another sound we can add with I, letter I. See this one, I with G. Right, see this, IG we can sound ig, ig. So dig, read with me, dig, fig, pig, rig, jig, wig. Again shall we read? Dick, fick, big, rig, jig, wig. Right. Then shall we move to the next sound? Here, see this one. If we add double L with I, you know this, the I double L, ill, right? If letter M adds here, you can say mill, pill, pill, kill, till, bill, fill, like that. Okay, here I will add another sound here. See this one, I with D, let's see. See this, ID we can pronounce id. So her, hid, D, did. B, now you know what is the sound. Bid. Yes. K, can you say? Kid. Correct. L, yes, lid. Okay. R, read. Yes. So let's read again down. Hit, did, bid, kid, lit, read. Right. See this one also. Yes. Look at this one. Yes, we know I with T. I with T, we can produce the sound it. What is the sound? It. Yes. Let's see this one. I am removing this P and I will add this T here. So this one here, see it. We know it is a word. We use it is very beautiful, like that. It. So we can add the consonants with B and we can make some small words like this. See this one. B, bit. B, bit. See this one. S, sit. S, sit. And also you can see this one. See. P, P, P. P, P, pit, P, pit, like that. Yes. See this one. K. Yes. K, kit. K, kit. Here, key, kit. Right. Yes. Now W here. See this one. V, V, wit, wit. Right. And we know this one here. Her, he, hit, hit, like that. Okay. Now let's read these sounds.